Hello YouTube, what's going on here? And hello YouTube, what's going on here? And today, Ironic Yellow or Ironic Legends is gonna play a Pixel Gun again. And I also have the Xbox and One and the PS4 and a PC, so I can put in the Wii U, so I can play with anybody if you guys want. I don't have an Instagram yet, but I'm going to get one. And yeah, let's start playing. When the game loads. So, I had a request from one of my friends in the last video, because my mic was broken, in the last video to play, what's it called? To play the campaign for the first role for the campaign. And I've almost beat the campaign already, if you don't see that. So, I'll show you when the game loads completely. You see in the adventure, I've actually almost beat the whole campaign. Now it has to load for like 20 minutes. Okay, finally it works. See, I've already beat the pixelated world, the block world, and I'm almost complete with the block-related world, because the Mega Apocalypse is really hard. And so is the castle. In this one, if you beat it, you get the special gun. Now I'll show you. Wrong world. Not the first one, not the last one. As you can see, you get the bonus gun, and I really want that, so, yeah, let's do the first world. I'm gonna do it on hard mode, on the first world, so I can get the most money, since I've already beaten it. So, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, let's go. And so also, I think that, yeah, like I said, if any of you guys want to come on the channel anytime and play with me, fine, and I love it. So let's see. Oh, I get all my guns since I've already beat the level. No fair. Can't really hold the controller to talk to you at the same time fighting the mobs. This guy will make it so in this game, one, you get grenades and attacks. You prefer the campaign mode because it'll just give you free grenades on the ground if you find them over random mode. Police officer, I'm assuming he does. Don't do anything though. So yeah. And daily gift ready. Now I can do. So let's get that. I also want you guys to tell me if you want me to do a face cam next video, because I can do it. You see, I'll do it like right now, for instance. See, I can do a face cam. And then also, here are my gifts. I can open the daily gift daily, which is pretty nice. I hope I get something good. A new gun would be nice. Or some coins, you know, that's the worst, but I'm such a troll. Give me that goodness. That's really good. Oh, come on. Why does it keep giving me horrible stuff? Well, right now we're just doing an opening video, basically. Oh, come on. Give me that teddy bear. Give me that teddy bear. Give me that teddy bear. Ooh, what is this? In one of these videos, we're going to do a sandbox episode. And then we can play the sandbox. Ooh, more gems. Well, thank you. And try to make a sandbox world and then play it. Of course, again, another one of the dumb potions. I really want a new gun skin because that would look like nice, and or I could take a new skin, I guess. I don't want to pay 15 gold for that, but I'm really hoping for a gun. Or a grenade, you know. Works either. Oh, 3, okay. Don't need any grenades, but. No. Thug life! 3 votes. You can use hearts to vote. Oh. And that's actually kind of nice. Come on, come on. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, last one. Big bucks, big bucks. Money, money, money. Oh my gosh. Well, this was a total bust. And also, I'm going to ask you at the bottom of the video today. I want you to tell me if you want me to buy a better gun, like the SWAT rifle, or I might buy. Actually, you know what? I'm just looking at hats right now, but yeah. So this was a good video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.